Okay, what's up, guys? Here's a graphic design app called Canva. It's already got preloaded free images to use. Great. Over 60,000 templates. Photo collages, posters, social media styles, invitations, cards, Twitter posts. You can create your Twitter header too. I should probably add a little bit more work to my Twitter, huh? All right, let's check out posters. To have something to start editing. Just how easy is it? Just how easy is it? Mix and match. Now, Sunday, Sunday, Sunday. Let's just remove that. Did it automatically center it? I don't think it did it? I think I gotta remove this one space. For more information, what, no 555 number in there? So silly. Come on, give me a break, guys. Must have accidentally chose a image there. Yeah, I'll give you access later, dude. Okay, so that's pretty cool. I like the font there. This can be really great for anybody with whatever you're doing for any social media reasons, right? Over 5 million downloads, man. Makes a Facebook post. Whoops. Leave me alone. How's that for a Facebook post? I'm so sick of friend requests. Alone, leave me. Just turn it into a Yoda speak one. Okay, so how do I move it? Okay, there we go. Alone, leave me. Okay, so I've been looking for a good app that has good fonts, and this is it, guys. I'm so happy. Where's all the trendy fonts out there, man? I mean, the one that I got right here is pretty friggin' trendy anyways, but let's find the other ones. Yellowtail. Alone, leave me. Oh, wow. It's quite a few to choose from, so that's pretty cool. Okay. Yeah, let's just leave this space programming. Forget about it. Sometimes courage is the quiet voice at the end of the day saying, I will try again tomorrow. Okay, I've seen a couple other editing apps that claim it's really easy to make posters and stuff, but this one takes the cake for the bake sale. It seems like this is absolutely the easiest one. Yeah, I mean, you could do any of this stuff and then take it over to your Costco photo booth, whatever, and have them print up your posters for you. You could do whatever. Wonder if it's got business cards, invitation cards. Here we go, man. The Blue Mountains. Where that sunset, though? Ha 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 ha. We're expecting you. Okay, so the deal is I've never been a fan of multiple different fonts in a single thing. It should all be legible though. However, both of those were legible. Huh. Huh. My name's too long, guys. I totally apologize. Where that sunset though? Let's go back. Is it supposed to be like a postcard status? Postcard status or business card status? I guess you could kind of decide whatever you want. So what are these coins about? I gotta earn some rewards or something? What? Why'd the coin show up? Congrats, not congrats. Anyways, guys, this is top-notch, easiest way to create anything, create a design. You want to make your album cover in here? Sunset Chaser? Yeah, that's me. Book cover. Anyways, guys, this is very simple, extremely awesome, very clean, so easy to use. Simplicity speaks volumes. Minimalism sucks. Oh, sorry if I offended you guys. Sorry, not sorry. Okay, sometimes I got some photos that are minimal, but typically no. Anyways, guys, this is a Canva app. It's great for anything you need to design or make easily. Clean, classy, chic. Yes, this is definitely pretty dope. Go get it.